How to calibration of 360 camera after installed. First of all, let's go into the menu. After entering the menu, we can enter the setting. Password for 321 to display here. Then select the debugging class type. Select template to lens model. Select 6047. Select 20534 photosensitive module type. Please make sure that the length and width of the car are correct. Note that the unit is millimeters. After setting the parameters, the system will automatically scan the point. Correct camera installation angle. The layout is correct. Usually stitching is successful. If the effect is not ideal, you can manually adjust the Okay, the stitching is completed. Let's see the completion effect.